Is Avaluni.com a total scam? If you've stumbled on this site while shopping for that next great deal, you're probably wondering if it's safe or just another online trap. I've dug deep into the 2026 reviews, and here's what you need to know. First off, buyer beware. The warning signs are hard to ignore. Customers from sites with similar names, like Avalon.com and Avaline.co, have raised some serious red flags. People report weird test charges popping up on their statements, unauthorized upsell fees, and, worst of all, completely unresponsive customer support. Ever tried calling a company just to hear the line is always busy? Yeah, that's a common theme here. Emails? Good luck getting a reply. And let's talk shipping. Some reviewers say their orders magically shipped to the wrong country, like Italy, just hours after they checked out. That's not just a mistake, it's suspicious. But here's the most telling sign. Avaluni.com is a brand new website. Scam sites often pop up, disappear, and come back with new names. Scammers even use AI now to create slick websites and fake customer service. So if a site looks polished but has no solid reputation, that's a major red flag. Now, before you click buy, here's how to protect yourself. First, run the site through Google's Transparency Report or Norton Safe Web. Check the domain age using WAS. If it's only a few months old, be extra cautious. Stick with payment methods that offer real protection, like credit cards or PayPal. Never use bank transfers or crypto for unknown sites. And always double-check the website's address. Tiny spelling errors are a scammer's favorite trick. Bottom line, Avaluni.com shows way too many warning signs for me to trust it with my money, or yours. Stay sharp and shop safe. Subtitle: Is Avaluni.com safe? 2026 review reveals all the warning signs. Test charges, fake shipping, no support.